welcome to my kitchen in Tokyo. On this episode, I want to share vegan Kushi Katsu. I will share a lot of vegetable ideas. So all the ingredients I use today are plant-based. Let's make vegan butter without eggs. If you can use eggs, try butter with eggs, which I shared its recipe in my previous Kushikatsu YouTube video. Add 7 tablespoons of all-purpose flour and 100 ml of water. Here is panko breadcrumb used as a coating. I have a separate video on how to make panko. I pasted a link in the description. Here are some coating ideas. In addition to panko, I will use rice cracker and black sesame seeds as a coating. Peel the bottom part of asparagus with a peeler and cut into quarter. I will peel the skin of lotus roots. Slice it and cut into half. I will remove stems from the shiitake mushrooms. Next, squash. Slice it and cut into half. Avocado. Remove a seed and slice it. Cut onion in wedges. Take a skewer and pierce into each vegetables. Now I will show you how to coat my lotus roots with my black sesame seeds. I will dip my half of the lotus roots into the butter and then coat with black sesame seeds. You can enjoy the contrast of two colors. I will coat my onion with rice cracker. Here is a healthy tip. Let's only dip one side of mushroom into butter and coat with panko. I will coat my asparagus only one side because I want to show nice green color of asparagus. Add vegetable oil to a large pan and heat over medium heat. Bring it up to 170 degrees. Add the veggies and cook for about 1 minute or until one side is lightly browned. Turn the veggies over with a pair of tongs or a large chopstick and fry for another additional 1 minute. Vegan Kushikatsu is complete. Let's serve with tonkatsu sauce for dipping. To make vegan Kushikatsu, you can use any vegetables you have in your fridge. Thank you for watching Miss Wagashi TV, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye bye! And if you find this video is informative and fun, please hit likes and subscribe my channel.